Bipedal robots are set to revolutionize industries, offering unparalleled efficiency and versatility in tasks previously limited to humans. 17th April 2024 marked the debut of a fully electric iteration of Atlas by Boston Dynamics. This new version boasts an enriched range of movements compared to its predecessor. Empowered by an advanced control system and cutting-edge hardware, it showcases remarkable athleticism and agility, establishing a pioneering benchmark in robotics. The Tesla bot, also referred to as Optimus, epitomizes a pioneering advancement in humanoid robotics, presently undergoing development by Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk unveiled Optimus Gen 2 in September 2022, presenting an upgraded iteration endowed with enhanced capabilities surpassing mere locomotion and communication. Initially showcased at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Day event on 19 August 2021, CEO Elon Musk hinted at the potential construction of a prototype by 2022. Positioned as an autonomous humanoid, the Tesla bot endeavors to address tasks categorized as unsafe, repetitive, or mundane. With commitments to improved walking speed, refined hand dexterity, tactile sensing, and various other enhancements, Optimus Gen 2 is poised for a potential release by the culmination of 2024. The proposed specifications delineate a height of 5 feet 8 inches and a weight of 57 kilograms for the Tesla bot, boosting a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms. Controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's Advanced Driver Assistance System, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. Engineers at Caltech have developed a groundbreaking robot that blends flying and walking to pioneer a new mode of locomotion. Dubbed Leonardo for Legs Onboard Drone, or simply Leo, this robot features a pair of multi-joint legs for bipedal walking, complemented by propeller thrusters that enhance stability and enable hopping and jumping. Leo aims to redefine robotic walking capabilities while addressing challenges posed by hybrid locomotion. Equipped with impressive skills like tightrope walking, stair climbing, and even skateboarding, Leo is reshaping perceptions of future robotic mobility and has the potential to facilitate exploration in challenging environments. For industrial applications, PAL Robotics presents Talos, a humanoid robot engineered to tackle heavy lifting tasks with precision and robust sensing capabilities. As the inaugural platform of the Talos robot series from PAL Robotics, it's named PYRENE and will be utilized by the LAS CNRS Geppetto team for research on navigation, anthropomorphic movements, and environmental interaction. The goal is to integrate Talos into a novel factory concept, enabling its participation in physically demanding tasks or operations carried out in hostile conditions unsuitable for humans. In 2016, Hankook Mirare Technology of South Korea revealed a massive man robot that replicates human walking, generating ground tremors due to its imposing weight. Standing at 4 meters tall and weighing 1.5 tons, this remarkable invention demands attention. During the formative stages of Big Dog's development, Boston Dynamics embarked on several groundbreaking projects. Among these initiatives was Pathman, an advanced bipedal robot crafted specifically for testing chemical protection gear. Pathman notably became the first robot capable of executing dynamic movements akin to those of humans. Tailored to support the U.S. Army, Pathman demonstrated remarkable agility and the ability to replicate human physiological responses, including perspiration, a critical feature for evaluating the effectiveness of soldiers' protective attire. Simultaneously, the Sand Flea project garnered attention for its co-to-powered jumping mechanism, enabling it to carry out reconnaissance missions in challenging environments such as Afghanistan by effortlessly surmounting obstacles. In a significant leap forward for high-speed robotics, the Cheetah project shattered speed records, surpassing even the swiftest human runners like Usain Bolt. This marked the initial foray into developing rapid-moving robotic systems. Subsequently, the introduction of the Wildcat robot propelled this pursuit, earning the distinction of being the fastest four-legged robot globally, showcasing unparalleled stability across diverse and demanding terrains. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Apptronik, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Apptronik's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000, with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Apptronik's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Apptronik Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Apptronik foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. LeMax Dynamics stands as a pioneering force in the realm of general-purpose robotics, supported by extensive academic and technological prowess. Their primary focus revolves around researching, developing, and manufacturing exceptional general-purpose robots propelled by embodied AI technology. Their product range encompasses humanoid robots, wheeled quadruped robots, and comprehensive robotic software and hardware solutions, catering to a diverse array of industries such as automotive manufacturing, industrial inspections, logistics and distribution, specialized operations, and household services, addressing both B2B and B2C markets. Since their inception in 2005, LeMax Dynamics has fostered collaborative partnerships with renowned scholars and esteemed institutions worldwide, driving pioneering research in robotics, software algorithms, and AI. Committed to catalyzing disruptive innovation within the robotics sphere, their pursuit of a versatile general-purpose robot capable of navigating diverse terrains and executing various mobile manipulation tasks stands poised to redefine societal norms and bridge the gap between humans and robots. Through their unwavering dedication to technological advancement, LeMX Dynamics aims to unlock the full potential of robotics, empowering humanity to achieve unprecedented heights. LeMX Dynamics Biped Robot P1 embodies groundbreaking innovation, featuring state-of-the-art zero-shot learning technology. Functioning under completely transparent testing conditions, P1 adeptly maneuvered through wilderness environments with unmatched precision and stability. Through the power of reinforcement learning, P1 effortlessly adapted to various terrains, highlighting its extraordinary capabilities. Additionally, LeMX Dynamics stands at the forefront of manipulation and locomanipulation techniques for humanoid robots, promising further advancements in robotic innovation. This humanoid robot is a testament to advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, embodying a unique fusion of technology and human likeness. This humanoid robot is a testament to advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, embodying a unique fusion of technology and human likeness. Albert Einstein Hubo, conceived in November 2005 through collaboration with the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST, Hubo Group of Korea, pays homage to the renowned German-born theoretical physicist, Albert Einstein. This expressive walking humanoid combines Einstein's iconic head with a Hubo robot body. KAIST engineered the walking body, while Hanson Robotics crafted the animatronic head and face, utilizing an elastic polymer known as Frubber. Debuting at the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation (APEC) Summit in November 2005, Albert Einstein Hubo captivated audiences with its ability to perform realistic facial expressions and emulate Albert Einstein's voice through a voice synthesizer. Presently, the robot is housed at the University of California, San Diego, within the California Institute for Telecommunications and Information Technology, CALIT-2, where it continues to serve as a testament to the fusion of robotics and scientific legacy. Zeno made its debut at Wired Next Fest in 2007, boosting advanced capabilities in sight, hearing, and speech. With over 28 specialized motors, Zeno possessed an agile body and an expressive face. Named after creator David Hanson's son Zeno and inspired by Astro Boy, the robot received an updated version in 2012. This new iteration incorporated Dynamixel RX-28 and RX-64 servos, along with a sensor suite comprising gyroscopes, accelerometers, compasses, torque sensors, touch sensors, and temperature sensors. Walt Disney Imagineering showcased the Baby Groot robot as part of Project Kiwi at Disney California Adventure, a free-roaming animatronic teased in 2021. This initiative represents ongoing efforts to seamlessly integrate robotics into immersive experiences within Disney parks. In March 2023, Disney introduced a new robot prototype at SXSW in Austin, Texas, modeled after Judy Hopps, the bunny rabbit character from the film Zootopia. This robot wowed audiences with its agile rollerblading and impressive somersaults. In 2023, IEEE RSJ International Conference on Intelligent Robots and Systems in Detroit, a Disney research team unveiled a charming new robotic character resembling Wall-E. Developed by a team led by Moritz Boker from Disney Research in Zurich, this adorable robot features a highly expressive head and dynamically balancing legs, mostly constructed using 3D printing and modular hardware. With a 4° of freedom head and 5° of freedom legs, including hip joints, it can walk while maintaining dynamic balance. Digit, an innovative humanoid robot crafted by Agility Robotics, embodies the company's ambitious mission to engineer legged machines capable of maneuvering environments akin to humans. Introduced in 2019 as Agility's second venture into bipedal robotics following the launch of their initial platform, Cassie, in 2016, Digit is intricately engineered for dynamic mobility, featuring agile limbs and a sensor-rich torso facilitating seamless navigation through complex surroundings and the execution of tasks such as package delivery. Standing at a height of 155 centimeters and weighing 42.2 kilograms, Digit integrates advanced components including 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, multiple IMUs, and precise encoders for proprioception. Supported by 2 Intel i7 multi-thread CPUs for robust processing capabilities. Its adaptability extends to a payload bay accommodating additional computing hardware, such as Intel NUC or NVIDIA Jetson, enhancing its perception and machine learning capabilities. Digit's design prioritizes seamless integration into human environments and replication of human workflows, enabling it to excel in diverse tasks ranging from unloading trucks to moving boxes in warehouse. Its versatility positions it as a crucial tool in logistics and warehouse operations, with the latest iteration optimized for human-robot interaction (HRI) and furnished with manipulators tailored for handling totes. Essential plastic bins controlling goods flow in warehouse. While Digit's hands deviate from anatomically human-like structures, they are purposefully engineered for efficient tote manipulation. The robot's primary function, complemented by its ability to walk, step up on curbs, crouch, and execute other actions. Agility Robotics aims to commence large-scale manufacturing of Digit robots, with partner shipments scheduled for early 2024 and general availability anticipated the following year. Supplemented by a partner program facilitating adoption among Digit's initial commercial clientele. A significant milestone in the evolution of our bipedal robot Digit can be traced back to its predecessor, Cassie. In 2021, Cassie achieved a remarkable feat by becoming the first bipedal robot to successfully complete an outdoor 5K run. With its innovative mechanical design inspired by ostrich legs, Cassie served as the foundation for the machine learning algorithm enabling its impressive walking and running capabilities. During its historic 5K run at Oregon State University, Cassie covered over 3 miles on a single battery charge, completing the course in just 53 minutes, a notable achievement both for robots and humans. Unlike humans, Cassie lacks tendons or ligaments for controlling kinetic energy release during movement. Instead, it relies on springs and actuators, employing similar principles of energy storage and release to manage impact forces upon landing. This accomplishment required significant technological advancements, including engineered legs capable of navigating various terrains efficiently and stably, a robust battery system to sustain prolonged activity, and autonomous navigation capabilities to traverse unmapped environments. These innovations culminated in Cassie setting a new standard for bipedal robots, demonstrating its ability to cover long distances and conquer challenging terrains with ease. The Fourier GR1, engineered by Fourier Intelligence, marks a groundbreaking advancement in healthcare robotics, with a focus on improving caregiving efficacy and strength. Standing at 165 centimeters tall and weighing 121 pounds, the GR1 showcases impressive self-balancing capabilities and can achieve a maximum walking speed of around 3 miles per hour. Equipped with 40 FSA joints providing 44 full-body degrees of freedom, this humanoid robot harnesses embodied AI technology, offering a scalable platform for testing and validating various AI models and algorithms. With its ability to handle weights up to 110 pounds, the GR1 demonstrates versatility in maneuvering through obstacles, manipulating tools, and aiding in physical therapy tasks. presenting promising opportunities for revolutionizing caregiving practices, particularly for elderly individuals living independently. Fourier Intelligence's ambitious initiative aims to produce 100 units of the GR1 by the end of 2023, initially focusing on outfitting them with fundamental hardware-software functionalities. These units will be deployed to research and development labs to refine and enhance the robot's intelligence and capabilities before broader adoption. The emergence of the GR1 signifies a significant advancement in integrating humanoid robots into caregiving roles, offering a potential solution to the challenges posed by aging populations worldwide. The Unri H1 represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, originating from Unri, an innovative Chinese startup recognized for its expertise in quadruped robotics. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighing around 47 kilograms, the H1 debuts as Unri's first humanoid robot. Enhanced with a 3D LiDAR sensor and depth camera for perception. The H1 possesses the ability to gather precise spatial data and conduct panoramic scanning. Internally, it features high-torque joint motors and gear trains, delivering a maximum joint torque of 360 nanometers. With 5 degrees of freedom in the leg joints and 4 in the arms, the Unri H1 utilizes embodied AI technology, integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to interact intelligently with its surroundings. Displaying human-like understanding and response capabilities, the H1 demonstrates versatile and precise movements across various applications. It autonomously navigates and traverses complex terrains and environments, achieving a walking speed exceeding 1.5 meters per second and a potential top speed surpassing 5 meters per second. Notably, its competitive pricing, below $90,000, democratize access to advanced robotic technology, expanding its applicability to a broader market. Despite its lightweight construction and towering stature, the H1 maintains stability even under significant shocks at its stability points. With a leg length of 400 mm and an arm length of 338 mm, the H1 showcases remarkable physical specifications, enabling its deployment across diverse industries, services, and applications, signaling the onset of a new industrial revolution in robotics. The Cyber One, a humanoid creation by Xiaomi, a prominent Chinese electronics manufacturer, stands impressively tall at approximately 177 centimeters and weighs around 52 kilograms. With 21 degrees of freedom, it replicates human movements with remarkable precision. Powered by Xiaomi's in-house developed MySense depth vision module and AI interaction algorithm, the Cyber One perceives its surroundings in vivid 3D. Adept at recognizing individuals, gestures, and expressions. Further bolstering its environmental awareness are Xiaomi's proprietary MyAI environment semantics recognition engine and vocal emotion identification engine, enabling it to discern 85 types of environmental sounds and categorize 45 human emotions accurately. Featuring processing units coupled with a curved OLED module, the Cyber One provides real-time interactive information display. Capable of lifting weights up to 1.5 kilograms with its arms, it exhibits potential utility in tasks such as carrying groceries. However, it's important to recognize that while the Cyber One serves as a technological showcase and a platform for broader research and development endeavors, Xiaomi has not yet committed to mass-producing it. The company's vision, though, underscores its commitment to advancing in the realm of intelligent robotics, with plans to integrate the showcase technology into future Xiaomi products. While the availability of Cyber One for purchase remains uncertain, Xiaomi remains steadfast in its belief that intelligent robots will inevitably become part of people's lives, reaffirming its dedication to progress in this burgeoning field. Walker is crafted to serve as a nimble and intelligent companion, functioning as a bipedal humanoid robot with the aspiration of becoming an essential part of human existence. With its complete body flexibility and control, it ensures safety during interactions with people, boosting arms capable of emulating human movements. This robot excels in achieving steady walking across various terrains and possesses the ability to communicate with humans through speech recognition or by mirroring facial expressions, thereby expressing a wide spectrum of 28 emotions. Built on Toyota's robotics platform, THR3 is the innovative creation of the company's partner robot division, meticulously crafted and refined. It serves as an experimental platform to test technologies that enable safe physical interactions between robots and their surroundings. THR3 also introduces an innovative remote control system, enabling the robot to mimic the movements of its operator. With its adaptable features, the robot shows potential in providing safe assistance in various environments. The master control system allows intuitive operation of the robot's entire body, with wearable controls translating the operator's hand, arm, and foot movements into corresponding actions executed by the robot. Asimo, created by Honda in 2000, is a humanoid robot primarily designed for search and rescue tasks. It can recognize objects, postures, and sounds, and has two camera eyes and multilingual abilities. Currently on display at the Miraikan Museum in Tokyo, Japan, Honda ceased Asimo's development and production in July 2018 to focus on other applications. Asimo's last active demonstration was in March 2022, as Honda shifted focus to developing remote-controlled, avatar-style robots. Over 4 models of Asimo were released, with the initial model introduced in 2002. Asimo's abilities include recognizing movements, gestures, and environmental cues, enabling interactions with humans. Equipped with two camera eyes, Asimo can track individuals and respond to voice commands and gestures. It can recognize companions by their voices and faces, and autonomously navigate its environment using various sensors to detect obstacles and floor surfaces. These features enhance Asimo's capability to navigate and adapt to different situations. On 2 March 2024, OpenAI announced its progress in integrating its technology into humanoid robots, partnering with Figure AI, a specialist in AI robotics and the creation of humanoid robots for workforce use. Figure AI, founded in 2022 in Sunnyvale, California, gained recognition for introducing Figure 01, a highly adaptable robot known for its human-like motions. This collaboration aims to address labor shortages and enhance supply chains, with Figure AI currently serving clients throughout the United States. Raptors, a bipedal robot developed by CAST, captivated the world with its astonishing speed, drawing inspiration from the swift Velociraptor. This feat earned it a place among the fastest robots globally, setting a remarkable standard in parallel. NAO, SoftBank Robotics' initial humanoid creation, serves as an assistant in various industries, including healthcare and education. Despite being only 2 feet tall, NAO is equipped with 2D cameras for object recognition, 4 directional microphones and speakers for communication, and 7 touch sensors for interaction. Proficient in 20 languages, NAO aids in content creation, programming education, and patient service representation. Atrias, a bipedal robot crafted by researchers at Oregon State University's Dynamic Robotics Laboratory, exhibits the ability to walk at a pace of approximately 3 miles per hour, requiring support from multiple individuals to maintain balance. Successfully showcasing its walking prowess outdoors in April 2015 marked a significant milestone for its developers. Atrias also made a notable appearance at the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge in Pomona, California. Inspired by the swift movement of ground-dwelling birds like chickens, the designers aspire to elevate Atreus to become the fastest bipedal robot globally. In 2017, engineers at the University of Tokyo built two robots Kengoro and Kenshiro that can work out like a human. It's designed for flexibility instead of strength, and it could lead to a wide array of practical applications. In 2012, engineers at Waseda University in Japan devised a walking vehicle equipped with terrain-adaptive control mechanisms. In 2009, the Department of Biomechanics at FSU Jena introduced a walking robot named Pinocchio. The project aimed to replicate human walking kinematics through robotic means. In 2018, the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology showcased a robot specifically designed for rescue missions and assisting individuals with disabilities. Umber Lab, situated at Caltech, conducts diverse research spanning from bipedal robotic walking to prosthesis, hybrid systems theory, and cyberphysical and automotive systems. Among their notable creations is Durus, a humanoid robot renowned for its human-like walking, demonstrating natural heel strike and toe push-off behaviors crucial in locomotion. Kavra HRP4, a slim and fast robot from Japan, was developed by Kavra Industries Incorporated in partnership with the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology. It benefits from advanced technology used in the HRP4C cybernetic human. With 34 degrees of freedom, including 7 in each arm for better object handling, it boasts a lightweight body measuring 151 centimeters tall and weighing 39 kilograms. The control system utilizes OpenMaste software platform and the Linux kernel with the RT-Preempt patch. Thank you for tuning in. We welcome your valuable feedback and suggestions. At Xiaopeng Automotive Tech Day, Xiaopeng Motors unveiled the PX5, their first self-developed humanoid bipedal robot. It boasts exceptional walking and obstacle crossing abilities with advanced joints for stability. Indoors or outdoors, it can traverse obstacles for over 2 hours. The PX5 has lightweight arms, dexterous hands, and a hybrid drive scheme for easy object manipulation. Weighing just 430 g, it integrates control and drive with tactile perception. Though 1.5 m tall now, future versions aim for longer strides, targeting 10 km with a load and 100 km without stumbling. XR4, also known as the Seven Fairies, is the newest humanoid beep robot from Data Robotics. Made from lightweight carbon fiber composite, it's 168 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. With over 60 flexible joints, it connects to the data cloud brain in real time. Using the advanced GPT robot model and multimodal fusion, XR4 learns to stand steadily, move its arms and hands deftly, and even dance. Its goal is to become a human companion, fulfilling the role of a robotic nanny. As bipedal robots continue to evolve, their integration into various aspects of society will undoubtedly reshape industries and redefine human-robot interaction. However, navigating ethical considerations and ensuring responsible deployment will be crucial in harnessing their full potential for the benefit of humanity. Thank you for tuning in. We welcome your valuable feedback and suggestions.